How to add users to your WordPress website. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can actually add users to your WordPress website. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to add users to your WordPress website, all you have to do is just go ahead and then open up your browser. And then once you open up your browser, you want to log into your WordPress dashboard, right? And once you log into your WordPress dashboard, let's say you want to give access to some other people so that they can manage the website for you. You can just go to the users tab, select all users if you want to view all of the users over here. And to add a new user, basically all you need to do is just click on the add new button from the top of the screen over here. Once you click on add new, make sure to enter the username of the user, the email address, the first name, the last name, their website as well, the password. They have to log in with their specific password, and they can also send user notifications. And if they want the role, you can also select role and then select subscriber and then click on the add new user. So basically you want to add a shop manager, customer or subscriber, contributor or whatever else you want. You can just select them, click on add new user, and then they'll be able to successfully manage the website for you. This is simply how you can add users to your WordPress website. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.